Hey, 30-minute marketers. In today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners, and I'm going to give you the secret. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, click on the subscribe button, ring the bell for notification of future videos, as well as check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. All right, remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Like I said, today's focus is on the secret, and I'm going to give you the secret at the end of the video, but I want to see if you can guess it. So at any point during the video, if you actually guess what the secret is, then go ahead and leave that in the comments below and see if you got it right. All right, so to show you what the secret is, I'm just going to show you some websites that do affiliate marketing. And the first one I'm going to show you is one called Dirt Bike Planet. Now, this is from the guys over at Income School, and you can see here Jim Harmer is the creator of Dirt Bike Planet. And as you can see right here, this is a blog about dirt bikes, but you can see what he's done here is he's created a page called Recommended Gear. So the best dirt bike gear, my battle-tested picks. All right, so what he's saying is, as you can see on the image, this is his favorite gear. He spent many hours of testing. All right, and as you can see, he actually writes about how he spent hundreds of hours researching and testing the dirt bike gear on the market. Okay, and then he goes through and he shows you helmet cams, best helmets, best boots, best maintenance items, best chest protectors, best neck brace, best trailers, chocks, and straps. So as you can see here, if you click on that, you can see that he actually takes the time to show you real pictures of his dirt bike experience with the gear. For example, this is a picture of his dirt bike in his trailer strapped down with these chains. And you can see right here, he's telling you how he's extremely happy with the system for transporting his dirt bikes and in what it consists of. And then you can see here that these are links to Amazon. So then you read about his experiences. He shows you his experience, his real experience, and then he gives you a link to Amazon so he can do what? Earn an affiliate commission. All right, first example, Dirt Bike Planet. Second example from the same guys, and this is actually Jim Harmer's site, but this is a collective site over at Income School. Great resource. Actually, I'll leave a link in the description. You can check that out. But again, Camper Resources. Here we go. Camper Report. They have recommended gear. Camper Resources, top picks, my favorite gear, hours of testing, unbiased reviews. Over the last few years, I've spent hundreds of hours researching and testing the best campers because this is what he does. As you can see, these are pictures of his campers. These are pictures of his generator connected to his camper. And then he goes in and he writes again. If we were to click on generators, you can see right here about how he's tested this specific generator, the Champion 75537i. And you can see a picture of it here, and he talks about which one he would get. And then, of course, you can go ahead and read his example. And if you click here on that, you'll see that that takes to his generator report that he's written here on the blog. Goes into sound, loudness, performance, and how much gas it uses, even about how to go about starting it up, weight and portability. And then you can find it here, where to buy. There you go, an affiliate link. Look at the time and the detail he's gone into, not just to make a commission, but to impart on you the fact that he is using this product when he goes camping. This is a niche site about camping. Camper Report. He's telling you everything about using a camper when he goes camping. So I think you are starting to see what the secret is here, but I'm not going to tell you till the end. Again, if you already guessed it, go ahead and leave me a comment and tell me what it is. All right. Then I'm going to show you now two products that I use here on 30minutemarketing.net. The first one being Content Samurai. Okay. So I use Content Samurai 30-minute marketing on my website, on other niche websites that I create. Basically, it allows you to create fast, stunning videos, and you can use that. Of course, there'll be a link in the description to that. But what do they have? They have an affiliate program. So if you click on here, you can become an affiliate. So once I started using this product, and I had experience with it, and I know it works, and I knew how well it works, what do you think I did? if you were to go to YouTube and you were to search Content Samurai, what do you think you're going to find? A review of Content Samurai and how to use PLR to make videos is the #2 video on YouTube according to the search. So as you can see, that's my video. And of course, if you were to click on that video, what do you think's inside that video? It's a detailed review of how I use it, what I think about it, and why I think you should use it if you need and want to make videos, specifically in this one, if you're going to take PLR and use it to make videos as a shortcut. And again, I think you're getting the idea here, right? You're about to figure out what the secret is, but let me show you one more thing in a little more detail. This is a product I use called Morning Fame. It's simplifying YouTube growth. This is about smarter analytics on YouTube, and specifically the thing I use this for is to understand my analytics inside of my YouTube channels, as well as do keyword research, which is super important, as you saw there, ranking on the first page and #2 on YouTube for Content Samurai. But let me show you something here about Morning Fame that makes it a little bit more unique. To join Morning Fame, it's by invitation only, and you have to enter an invitation code to join. But then Nico, the creator of Morning Fame, has actually put a little link down here to get an invite. So check this out. To get an invite, find your preferred YouTuber who recommended Morning Fame and get an invite from them. You may search for Morning Fame Review 2019. If you click on this, it actually takes you to YouTube to do a search for Morning Fame Review. And you guessed it, when you click on Morning Fame, that link, it takes you to YouTube, Morning Fame Review 2019. And here I am, 30-minute marketing, how to grow your YouTube channel, and also your Morning Fame Review and invite code. So right there, I'm able to let people know that I like this tool and that I use this tool. So what do you think that does for me? Well, I can show you what it does for me. As an affiliate marketer, if you go over here, and you'll see that since I started using that tool, I've been getting these messages for people who utilize my invite code, and it says +1 free month. And you can see the latest one I got here from Nico from Morning Fame. Morning Fame +1 free month. Thank you so much for your support, Gary. One of your friends just started her subscription, and thus your next payment got moved to November 2022. So you get what I'm doing there, right? As an affiliate marketer, that is a tool that I use, Morning Fame, amongst others. But this is an example of a tool that I use, that I like, that I know how it works, that I can show you how it works by doing that review that I did over in YouTube and ranking it with the knowledge that I gained by using the tool and the knowledge that I gained by studying YouTube SEO, and then sharing that information with you so you can grow your YouTube channel if that is the path that you choose. So by now, I think you guess what the secret is. And the secret is, as an affiliate marketer, as a beginner to affiliate marketing, use the things, promote the things that you use, that you like, that you know, that you trust, that you can show people that you're actually using, that you really know how they work, that you've really tested them, that you understand them, and that you like them. That's the secret. Promote things that you use. Promote things that you like. Promote things that you trust. That's how you become a good affiliate marketer. That's how you succeed at affiliate marketing. And that, my friends, is the secret that I wanted to share with you. Again, don't forget, check the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint and an effective strategy that you can get started today building your own online business, just like I'm doing here. And with that, don't forget to click on the 30-minute timer here on the end screen to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like this one. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.